Hi and welcome back to SAR Studio. In today's video we will be removing the top overhead spool mount, and we will be setting up and installing the AMS Lite top mount holder. This will allow us to free up some space and get the benefits of the 4-color printing. As you can see, I have printed off all the parts for the top mount. Total print time was approximately 20 hours. First step, we need to apply some grease into the guide slot of the mount. Combine the upper and lower parts of the mount together. As you can see, I have done an excellent job in filming, and the actions are out of frame. Inserting the locking nut and then the locking screw to lock it together. Assemble and click the latch into place. Insert two M3 by 23 screws and screw the shaft to the latch. Next, you need to insert the dampers into the bottom slot on each stiffeners. Now grab the C clamps. One is labeled R for right C column and one labeled L for the left C column. Mount them on each C column. Slide in the Z stiffeners for each side. Then begin to tighten all 6 screws for each stiffener. Clamp the AMS top mount to the top gantry. Place the AMS Lite on top and secure it with 4 screws. Insert the PTFE tube guides and connect the PTFE tubes. Now I have successfully installed the AMS top mount. I hope you liked the video, and if you like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching.